Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn how to give common negative answers in the Filipino language. Let us begin with a list of common negative answers or mga karaniwang sagot na negatibo. Common, karaniwan. Negative, negatibo. Answers, mga sagot. The word no and not are hindi. None, wala. Can't or cannot, hindi pwede, hindi kaya. And don't or do not is huwag. Let us learn how to use no and not as the word hindi in Filipino. Let us ask a few questions that may be answerable by yes or no. Do you want? Gusto mo ba? Do want, gusto. You, mo. And because this question is answerable by yes or no, we added the word ba. Gusto mo ba? You can also omit it. Simply say, gusto mo, and that is perfectly fine. Is this right? Tama ba ito? This, ito. Right, tama. Did you say yes? Nag-oo ka ba? Did say yes, nag-oo. You, ka. And how can we answer this? We can say yes, oo. Or, because our lesson is about negative answers, you answer no, hindi. Let us expand our answers beyond the very simple no or hindi. Do you want? Gusto mo ba? You can say, no, I don't want. Hindi, ayaw ko. So again, no is hindi, I is ko, don't want, ayaw. Is this right? Tama ba ito? You can answer, no, it is not right. Hindi, hindi tama ito. It, ito. Not is also hindi. Right is tama. And the last question, did you say yes? Nag-oo ka ba? You can say, I didn't say yes. Hindi ako nag-oo. I is ako. Did not is hindi. And say yes, nag-oo. Now let us learn about using none or wala. Let us ask some questions again. Is there a problem? May problema ba? Is there may problem, problema? Is there news? May balita ba? News, balita. Do we have eyes? May yellow ba tayo? Do have, may. We, tayo. Eyes, yellow. And for all of this, we can answer in the negative, none or wala. We can also answer with, there is none, and it is still wala. Let's expand our answers. Is there a problem? May problema ba? There is no problem. Walang problema. There is no, wala. Problem is problema. Notice that we attach an ng after wala to say walang problema. Ng is a connector as well as it helps us to say those two words smoothly. If you would like to learn how to attach ng to words, there is a separate lesson for this, and I will put the link in the description below. Let us answer, is there news? May balita ba? There is no news. Walang balita. Do we have eyes? May yelo ba tayo? We have no eyes. Wala tayong yelo. Have no is also wala. Next, let us look at the word can't or cannot, which in Filipino is hindi pwede. We use hindi pwede in the context that something cannot be. And here are some example questions and answers to show this. Can we play today? Pwede ba tayong maglaro ngayon? Can is pwede. We, tayo. Play, maglaro. Today, ngayon. How do we answer this in the negative? We can't. I have work. Hindi pwede. May trabaho ako. Can't, hindi pwede. Notice that in the Filipino version, we drop the word for we, which is tayo. It is correct to say hindi tayo pwede, but it is more common for Filipinos to simply say hindi pwede. And the reason is, I have work. May trabaho ako. I, ako. Have, may. Work, trabaho. Here is another question. What about tomorrow? Bukas. What about is simply Tomorrow, bukas. And how do we answer in the negative? I also can't tomorrow. Hindi rin ako pwede bukas. Also rin. And can't, again, is hindi pwede. The word can't or cannot is also hindi kaya in Filipino. We use hindi kaya when the context is about something one is not capable of doing. Here are some examples. Can you dance? Kaya mong sumayaw? Can is kaya. You is mo. Dance, sumayaw. How do we answer this in the negative? I can't dance. Hindi ko kayang sumayaw. I, ko. Can't, hindi kaya. And again, dance is sumayaw. Here is another question. Can you sing? Kaya mong kumanta? Sing, kumanta. And to answer this in the negative, I also can't sing. Hindi ko rin kayang kumanta. Also is rin, and can't is again hindi kaya. Now let us look at our last common negative answer, which is don't or do not. In Filipino, huwag. I will pay the bill. Babayaran ko ang bill. I, ko, will pay, babayaran. The, ang. And we simply use the English word bill. Don't. I'll take care of it. Huwag. Ako ang bahala. Don't is huwag. It is also common to hear Filipinos to say simply wag, dropping the first syllable hu. So instead of saying huwag, we can say wag. And you give a reason why. I'll take care of it. Ako ang bahala. The whole sentence, I'll take care of it, is ako ang bahala. Don't you worry. Huwag kang mag-alala. You is ka, worry, mag-alala. Aside from these common ways to use the word huwag, here are some more. Don't do that. Huwag mong gawin iyan. Do, gawin. That, iyan. That English statement actually has an implied, don't you do that, and you is small. Don't bother. Huwag kang mag-abala. Bother, mag-abala. Again, the English statement has an implied you. Don't you bother. And so, in the Filipino version, we used ka. Here is a last one. Don't anymore. Or we can also say, never mind. And we say in Filipino, huwag na. Anymore, na. That is our lesson today about common negative answers. For your homework, practice using those common negative answers when you speak in Filipino. Try using hindi, wala, hindi pwede, hindi kaya, and huwag. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!